Stay at a hotel tonight because we can't. There's no electricity at our house either. Hello? Oh, yeah. There's no electricity at her house either, so we need to go someplace where you have electricity at least, some warm, warm place to stay. And yeah, okay, Joe. All right. Well. All right, bye then. Bye. No, I'm good. All right. Bye, man, the phone. Hey,
You're just going to try to get closed today, and that's all?
I'd like to get more than that. They're going to get a storage shelter or whatever it's called.
I guess have you opened that safe yet? I can go ahead and load that stuff in my car.
Everything is already in the truck.
Oh, they already got the guns and everything?
Yeah, everything's already in there.
Okay.
So I wouldn't put too much of an emphasis on that.
All right. Get out of the way.
We can get more. Anything that looks good, I guess. I don't know if Kassidy wanted to keep the entertainment center.
It may clean up all right.
It may. Oh, Cassidy. No, I don't think she wanted to know.
Can you get that front door open?
No, I can't.
Front door.
It has some cement on it.
This is Logan's room. Logan's closet. And we're in the other part of Logan's room in the garage.